Hello everyone, welcome to this Fast Loan Advance review. In this video, I will explore how Fast Loan Advance works and what you can expect and whether it is the right option for you. So first of all, what is Fast Loan Advance? So this is a lending platform designed to offer quick loans to people in need with amounts ranging from $100 to $35,000. All right. Yep. So you can get up to $35,000 as an individual. The platform makes it easy to get cash directly deposited into your bank account with a fast, hassle-free approach. Alright, so here are the details. And so, what sets First Loan Advance apart is their use of AI to match you with lenders. So they do not give you money directly, but they actually this is a platform that connects lenders to receivers, and they might take a small commission. All right. So the interest APR is quite high for lower amounts, and for higher amounts, this goes lower. And so they also offer long-term plans and with less fees, 5%. That's very low relatively. And the monthly payment I've shown here and the total amount of payment. So if you borrow $10,000, you need to pay $12,774 in 60 months. So that's a quite good deal. So okay, so let me go over how their AI works. All right. So you can get tailored loan offer as little as 2 minutes. Just simply fill out the form and let AI decide how much you actually need, and they will base a suggestion of that. Anyway, so here's the quick amount. For example, if I like select this amount, enter the name, and follow the steps, you will get your loan in a couple of minutes. So anyway, let me quickly show you the ratings. So on Trustpilot, a popular platform, First one Advance got 319 reviews and 4.5 star, which is very excellent according to Trustpilot, right? So most of them actually almost 90% plus of them have positive reviews, and they also replied to like 34% of negative reviews, which is really good. That shows they are serious about their users. And I've also seen some third-party reviews on other site, and all of them have like very good things to say in terms of loan and more. I've also checked the forums, so and their payment terms at APR is obviously too high, but if you're in dire need of cash, so I think that's a good platform. To be honest, you need to you can also check some other review lender platforms before you make a decision. So the APR for first loan advance is quite high, as I've said before. Let me quickly go back. Sorry. And with this much amount of APR and for a lower amount, you might want to consider other options. And so that's all there is to it. Anyway, your data is secured, and there's not much anything else. If you have any more questions, check out the frequently asked questions section, like what requirements you need to get a loan and about the fees, the repayment terms, and more. And then make your decision. So, all in all, while many customers report positive experience, some on Reddit, as I've seen, express concerns about the high APR. As with any loan, it's essential to read the terms carefully before signing any agreements. So, is fast loan advance worth it? If you need fast funding with flexible terms, but do not like don't have to worry about the high APR, or that doesn't bother you, then it could be a solid choice. Just make sure you fully understand the APR repayment terms and any fees involved before moving forward. And that's all there is to it.